Welcome back, guys, to another episode of RQ's Garage. Today we got this 2022 Ford Edge and we're going to replace the windshield wipers on this vehicle. So right here I got both windshield wipers for the front. They're from Ford Motorcraft brand, so these are OEMs. Here is the part numbers at the top: WW2760-A, 27 inches, and that's a 2755-A. So one's a right, one's a left, and I'll link both of them in the description below so you know exactly what goes where. But let's go ahead and install these on this Ford Edge. So Ford's got this really cool design, really easy. You just slide up the windshield wiper, the motor is free, and then you literally lift up, and it's got like a little hinge or hook design to it. So you're gonna push from the bottom, tilt it out, and then the hook at the top should pop it right off. And I know camera's a little off, but I'll give you a better visual here once I'm able to swing this guy right off. So really, really easy design. I mean, it's dated, it's old, and this wiper needs to be replaced for sure. So as we can see, we got this new wiper that we're gonna replace. Right there, it hooks at the top, and I'll give you a better visual. So we're gonna hook it at the top of the arm, and then we got two wings at the bottom. We just push in with our thumb and pointer finger, and it pops right into place. Couldn't be easier, super simple. It takes literally not even more than a minute. And of course, we got to do the other side of the vehicle. Again, we slide up the windshield wiper, it's free, and we're just going to pinch the two wings at the bottom. Here's a good visual, and then tilt up and out so that you can actually take it out of the arm for the windshield wiper. And we'll put the new one on. Again, these are OEMs. I will link them in the description below. They were a great affordable price, and you can't beat it. And why spend extra money when you can do this stuff yourself? And we're snapping in those two wings at the bottom. Here's a quick tutorial. We got it done. Took us not even 2 minutes. We'll put the wipers down and we'll take care of business. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.